Bullish Iotex cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 9 cents and 20 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Iotx could reach 9 cents by 2025. Bearish Iotex market cost expectation for 2022 is 1 cent. Iotex presentation. Iotex, in the same way as other crypto projects that held such a lot of commitment in the past, encountered a downtrend in June 2022. As innovation develops lately, the need to make a crossing point between the computerized world and the actual world increments. Be that as it may, because of the exceptionally adaptable nature of innovation in the web, contest in this specific area increments. The fight becomes who can present in market preferable, generally speaking, over which task can be more proficient. That is the reason many accept that Iotx's triumphs are simply publicity, and that their utilization case isn't as adaptable and very much coordinated into the world they're attempting to address. We have gone through every one of the signs that could validate these statements are misleading. Is Iotx as advanced as they present to us, or is it won't get by over the long haul? Is it a wise speculation as long as possible? How substantial is their future guide, and what are the cost figures for the token? Iotx declared a venture called MachineFi, made to drive gadgets and PCs while making them self-sovereign. The Iotx environment boosts the clients that endeavor to keep it functional and profoundly secure. It's an imaginative convention made on the 5th of November, 2021. Binance added Iotx as a borrowable resource, implying that clients are permitted to get an Iotx credit while giving their crypto as insurance without charges. On the 2nd of February, 2022, Anchor, a DeFi stage, cooperated with Iotx to carry out the utilization of machines and the improvement of a worldwide organization of web hubs. This move is to guarantee the quicker and more straightforward capability of MachineFi. This organization will empower a broad organization as ANKR tokens, for example motivators, would be given to Iotx hub administrators who add their hubs to Anchor's new openly accessible distance system call. On the 17th of February 2022, Iotx presented MetaStone, a gadget that fills in as an association with Iotx's MachineFi entrance, through which its clients can approach a variety of decentralized applications that will boost them to give admittance to the information that they create from one date. Another exercises like climbing, strolling, eating out, and so forth. They're hoping to present the full send-off of Web 3.0 as they propose an association among machines and Iotx 2.0 that will drive them towards more decentralization. They have additionally banded together with numerous different associations like Swash, the Information Association, Treasure Island, a cross-chain NFT stage, and a brought-together programming interface, Covalent. Iotx current cost. Iotx is as of now worth 2 cents USD. Iotx has moved 5.01% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $4,778,599. Iotx is as of now positioned 117 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $193,789,851 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Iotx to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Iotx market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Iotx Value Forecast 2022. Iotx, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Iotx cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 3 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 2 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Iotx is supposed to have a base worth of 2 cents. Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Iotx cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Iotx will before long outperform 5 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Iotx's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Iotx will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 4 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 4 cents. Iotx Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 7 cents and Iotx might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Iotx is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 6 cents and a low of 6 cents in 2024. Iotx Value Forecast 2025. in the event that Iotx effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados. The Iotx coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Iotx will be green in 2025. The Iotx is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 9 cents, with a base cost of 8 cents and a typical cost of 8 cents. Iotex value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Iotx cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 10 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 10 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Iotx has a greatest value worth of 11 cents. Iotx value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 12 cents. On the off chance that Iotx figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 13 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Iotx needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 12 cents. Iotx value expectation 2028. While Iotx is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 14 cents and a yearly cost close above 15 cents in 2028. Iotx value expectation 2029. By 2029, Iotx will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 16 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 17 cents. Averaging out at 16 cents. Iotx value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currencies should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest Iotx cost in 2030 is projected to be 20 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 19 cents. What is the Iotx cost today? Today, Iotx is exchanging at 2 cents with a complete market capitalization of $193,789,851. Is Iotx a wise venture? Iotx ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that Iotx is a decent decision of venture. How high could Iotx at any point go? The typical cost of Iotx might conceivably reach 2 cents this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Iotx might outperform 13 cents. What amount will Iotx be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising prevalence of digital money and Iotx, a drawn-out interest in Iotx could see the value ascend to 13 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will Iotx be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into Iotx today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Iotx might